of these cars have left, and these cavalcade
to the Rouse Avenue court. This is the cavalcade of Manish Sisodia, where he has been now directly taken to the Rouse Avenue court from here. As far as Manish Sisodia is concerned, the prosecution team and lawyers had already left earlier, and now the team with the CBI officials taking Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia from Jawaharlal Nehru side directly to the Rouse Avenue court from here on, of the heavy security, and there was a route that was cleared as well. There you can see another car of the CBI official now heading towards the Rouse Avenue court as well. So from three of the gates, the car left the CBI headquarters because it was the threat by the Aam Aadmi Party, and to tackle that particular situation, the CBI team made sure that there should be heavy security of Delhi police, and therefore the reason perhaps the entire CBI headquarters were turned into fortress, and now from CBI headquarters the entire team had left, and Manish Sisodia has been taken. Now it will be just 10 minutes from now. We've been told that he could be possibly reaching the Rouse Avenue court, where he will be produced, and the CBI will ask for additional custody of the Deputy Chief Minister. Remember, earlier the prosecution team and lawyers already left with senior police officials in charge, were clearly over here at the CBI headquarters to take care of the situation. More police deployment was seen over here, but now Manish Sisodia has left, and he will be soon reaching to the Rouse Avenue court, where CBI will ask additional custody in the alleged excise policy scam.
That's the latest coming in. This is, of course, Manish Sisodia being taken to the Rouse Avenue court. Aishwarya, that's, the latest as far as the on-ground situation is concerned. Take us through what we can expect in the next few minutes or so, about 10 minutes or so. You say Manish Sisodia will be reaching the Rouse Avenue court.
Well, that's right. All the team of lawyers, the legal team of Manish Sisodia is already at the Rouse Avenue court, and on the other side, the CBI team is reaching. The lawyers have already arrived, and it was the team of lawyers. The team of lawyers from the CBI team told the judge that it would take half an hour, and now, as Manish Sisodia has been taken from the Rouse Avenue court, from the CBI headquarters, I beg your pardon, from here, he will be reaching at the Rouse Avenue court. It's a distance of almost 6 kilometers, and it will take hardly 10 to 12 minutes for Manish Sisodia to reach there. And as soon as he will reach, the charges that have been prepared by the team of lawyers of the CBI, they will be presenting their case, because yesterday we have been told that it was 8 hours of intense questioning, to which the CBI clearly stated that when countered with several evidences and
these leaders and workers have been offered the option of courting arrest, but these leaders are not courting their arrest. They are sitting out there raising slogans against BJP government, both here in the BJP as well as at the center, because they are clearly saying that this seems to be a well-planned.
Okay, so we of course seem to be having the two different set of information coming in. One, of course, Mr. Sisodia, Manish Sisodia being taken to the court, and at the same time, of course, protest also, parallel protest being undertaken by the Aam Aadmi Party. Bhavtosh also live with us on the broadcast. Bhavtosh, take us through the latest visuals coming in. In a few minutes from now on, we are expecting Manish Sisodia to reach the Rouse Avenue court.
Yes, actually, in fact, in less than 20 minutes, he will be inside the courtroom in the court of Special Judge M.K. Nagpal. In fact, we had, told our viewers early in the morning that he will be physically present in the courtroom, no video conferencing. And also, we had told our viewers that his medical examination had been done inside the CBI headquarters. In this building, his medical examination has happened. What the CBI officials did was that they set up a new...
Sisodia expected to reach the court anytime now. Madhav is also live with us. He's also joining us live from the CBI headquarters. Madhav, of course, anticipation building, action expected anytime from now on. Manish Sisodia en route, the Rouse Avenue court. CBI likely to ask for his custody today.
Well, absolutely. And in fact, we are at the Rouse Avenue court where you can see this entire area also virtually turning into a garrison. Huge police deployment over here. Barricades being put up, and this entire part of the rear entrance of the Rouse Avenue court being completely sanitized. Very clearly, this is an area where AAP workers have not been allowed to come in. It's from here that, in fact, Manish Sisodia will be taken inside gate number 5 of the Rouse Avenue court, and top brass of the Delhi police present over here. The Special Commissioner, in fact, who's present over here as well to ensure that things happen smoothly, that Manish Sisodia's production, at least inside the Rouse Avenue court, happens in a smooth manner. You're absolutely right when you said that CBI is likely to ask for the custody. We have seen how, not just in the case of Satinder Jain, another minister who has been, in fact, in the custody for a very long time, several months, and in fact, even the other accused, the other high-profile accused associated with this case itself, who have also been behind for about past 4 months or so, since they have been initially questioned. Is it the same fate that Manish Sisodia is also looking at is a very important and pertinent question as far as this particular case is concerned. And also, of course, as far as the remand papers, what exactly and what specifically will the CBI say beyond what it had mentioned in yesterday's statement? Remember, in that statement, very importantly, they had spoken about how details were presented before Manish Sisodia. And in fact, remember that since the November interrogation of Manish Sisodia, a lot of investigation has happened. Many persons have been apprehended, and in fact, CBI says they have obtained a lot of evidence
Madhav, I just
from
need to
them.
interrupt you for a moment because
evidence,
Mayank, of course, has been tracking the movements of Manish Sisodia, who's, of course, part of that convoy that's being taken now to the Rouse Avenue court, where he will be produced by the CBI that's been seeking his custody. Mayank, where is Sisodia reached right now?
निकाल
Well, Siddharth, you are absolutely right. We are just behind the convoy of the CBI in the company of the Delhi police officials. In the live frame, you can see the long convoy of Delhi police officials are taking Manish Sisodia, the Deputy Chief Minister of Delhi, to produce him in the Rouse Avenue court after arresting him yesterday in the alleged Delhi excise policy scam. On the right of our car, you can see, Siddharth, that Delhi police Scorpios are moving in a tandem, and on the first side of this convoy is the car where CBI officials are, taking Manish Sisodia along with themselves to, report him to Rouse Avenue court, where he will be produced in front of the court, and there will be multiple questioning from the court, and the CBI is all prepared. We are learning to, ask for a remand of Sisodia because they are saying that there are multiple rounds of questioning and multiple questions that need to be answered from. And all those answers can be